Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study lesson number 2, components of food. In the last lesson, you studied that many variety of food you are having. Some people eat wheat, some people eat rice, some people eat jawar, some people eat ragi. Like this, most of the people they are using wheat and rice. And not only wheat and rice, in that you are eating vegetables also, grams also, even spices, fruits. These all types of the food you are eating. So this food in your food with the in the chapati or in the rice or in the vegetables or in the fruits or in the meat, fish, milk, dairy products, they are having many substances. They contain many substances. These substances which we can't see. We can't see these substances. We can see the rice, we can see the chapati, we can see the vegetables, we can see the fruits, but we can't see the substances which the food having. These substances are known as nutrients. These substances are known as nutrients. So, in our food we have totally 5 types of nutrients. How many types of nutrients are there? 5 types of nutrients we have in our food. So, in that 5 types of nutrients, first one is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. How many types of nutrients are there? 5 types. In our food, we have 5 types of nutrients. In that, first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, first one carbohydrates, second one fats, third one proteins, next fourth vitamins and the fifth one minerals. Now we will study what the carbohydrates having, what the fats having, what the proteins having, what the vitamins having and what is the minerals having. Why our body needed all these nutrients? All these nutrients are needed by our body. Why? See, carbohydrates. First we study about the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are useful to, they are called as energy giving food. You know, in daily life we doesn't do any work, at least we move. Our body, it need movement. We sit, stand, walk, sleep. These all movement, for this all movement we need energy. And this energy from where we are getting? Energy we are getting from our food. That too especially from carbohydrates. Do you know which foods having carbohydrates? Potato, bread, rice, wheat. These are having carbohydrates. And there are 2 types of carbohydrates having 2 forms. One is starch and another one is sugar. Carbohydrates are having 2 forms. One is starch and another one is sugar. Starch we can see in the potatoes, bread and rice. Potatoes, bread and rice, we can see the starch, and sugar we see in the fruits and honey. Honey is also one of the food. So, in the fruits and honey we can see the sugar. Carbohydrates, they have 2 forms, starch and sugar. Carbohydrates, they are called as energy giving food. Next one is fats. Do you know what are fats? Even fat are also energy giving food. How much carbohydrates are useful for our body? Even fats also very useful for our body. Fats are available in coconut oil, nuts, almond, butter, cream. Dear students, you can say that coconut oil we are not using as our food. But in the Kerala you can see that they are not using any nuts or the sunflower oil. They are using coconut oil for cooking. So, coconut oil is having fat. Even all the nuts. Almond means badam. Almonds, nuts means, and butter. In the butter also fats are available, and in the cream which you can see in on the cake. These are having fats. And fats are available. The fats we can divide in 2 parts. One is animal fats and another one is plant fats. Animal fats and plant fats. In the meat, in the milk, butter, you can see the animal fats. And plant fats means, in the plant fats you can see soya beans, in the nuts, coconut, these are plant fats. These keep our body, fats keep our body warm. Next one, carbohydrates completed, fats completed, now proteins. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food. Proteins are known as bodybuilding food. This bodybuilding food or the proteins are available in meat, fish, egg, milk, pulses, sugarcane, grams and cashew. See, proteins are very important for children because children are growing up. So, for bodybuilding, proteins are very important. Even proteins also divided in two forms. One is animal proteins and another one is plant proteins. You know, meat, fish, egg, milk we get from animals. Pulses, sugarcane, grams, cashew we get from plants. So, even proteins also divide in two forms. One is animal proteins and another one is plant proteins. Next one is vitamins. See, vitamins are known as protective foods. Vitamins protect our body. Vitamins protect our body from so many various diseases. Vitamins are 6 types: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. See, again vitamins also 2 types: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and C. Vitamin A, it is present in carrots, papaya, fish, oil and mango. Vitamin B is present in whole cereals, eggs, meat and milk. Vitamin C in present in citrus fruits. Vitamin D present in paneer, fish, liver, oil, egg, sunlight. Vitamin E is present in pear, eggs and nuts. Vitamin K is present in spinach, cabbage and cauliflower. Do you know these vitamins protect us from which diseases? Vitamin A, it protects from blindness and keeps our skin healthy. It protects us from eyes and skin infection. Vitamin B protect our nervous system, muscles and digestive system. Vitamin B protect our nervous system, muscles and digestive system. Vitamin C, citrus fruits, they protect our teeth and germs. They keep us free from germs. Vitamin D, to take bones and teeth strong. They make bones and teeth strong. Vitamin D. Next, vitamin E, they keep our skin healthy. Vitamin K, they help for clotting of blood. These are the types of nutrients. We will see there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and mineral. And next one is mineral. Mineral is also needed for our body, but it is small quantity. Minerals are needed very small quantity for our body. It help for proper functioning of our body. Minerals help for proper functioning of our body. These are also known as protective foods. Iron, calcium, phosphorus and iodine are parts of minerals. In the minerals we can see iron, calcium, phosphorus and iodine. Just see types of components of food. Our food, it is having many components or many. Our food, it consists of many substances which we can't see, but they are helpful for our body. These substances are called nutrients. Nutrients are 5 types: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates and fats are known as energy giving food. Proteins and vitamins are known as proteins are known as bodybuilding food. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective foods. Carbohydrates are having 2 types. We get in the carbohydrates 2 types. What is starch and sugar? Starch and sugar we get from carbohydrates. Fats are 2 types. One is animal fat and plant fat. Proteins are also 2 types: animal proteins and plant proteins. Vitamins are 6 types: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. They are protective food. And minerals are, small quantity of minerals are also needed for our body, for proper functioning body. In the minerals we can see iron, calcium, phosphorus and iodine.